does it come from? Okay. Before getting into the chapter, let me ask you a few questions. Okay. That is, what is food? Just write down and answer what you know, students. What is food? Just write it down. Okay. Even if it's wrong, not a problem. Okay. I'll correct you all here. You can erase and rewrite and learn from it. Okay. Just write what comes into your mind. What is food? I'll give you all 10 seconds time to write down what is food. And after that, I'll be writing the correct answer. If your answer is wrong, you can erase and rewrite, not a problem. We'll learn from what is correct and what is right. Okay. Okay, students. I'll write down what is food. The main source of energy for a living organism. Okay. So I don't think most of them would have got it right. It's okay, not a problem. Just take down this is the answer. Okay. Food, the main source of energy for a living organism is food. Okay. So if asked as a question during your test or examinations, what is food? You can write down this as the answer. The main source of energy for a living organism. If you ask me what is main source, so main source for energy that is provided to our daily life, energy that is provided to our daily life is taken from food. Okay, that is why we call it main source. Main source means main part. Okay, so main source means main part. Very important. Okay, okay, students. Am I clear so far? Anybody has any doubts? You can mention in the live chat. You can mention the live chat portion there. If you all have any doubts, you all want me to re-explain, or if you all want me to continue, please give a thumbs up. I'll go with the I'll go for the next topic. Okay. Are you all done, students? Please give me a thumbs up. I'll go to the next topic. So in chapter one, we just started with food. Okay. Now we'll discuss with where does it come from. Okay. If you all understood the food portion, please give a thumbs up. We'll go to the next part. That is where does it come from. Can I get a reply, students? I'm waiting for y'all. If you are done, please give me a thumbs up. I'll go to the next topic. If not, I'll wait. Or you can tell yes, anything. Are you all done? No reply from anyone. Are you all there, students? Okay, okay. Tanmay, are you present? So, are you clear for this topic about food? Okay, we'll go to the next topic. Okay, okay, Tanmay, I'll wait. Take down. Please be a little fast. If everybody is done, please give a thumbs up. If it's taking time for you all to write down, please write down with me when I'm writing it down. Okay, okay, can we move to the next? Are you done, Tanmay? We'll go to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is food variety. Okay, so what is food variety, students? So multiple dishes. Okay, multiple dishes are known as food variety. Here you can see here this is an example of multiple dishes. Okay, there is like different dishes here. Okay, you can see a plate of different thalis here. Okay, so this is known as food variety. Okay, multiple dishes are food variety. Okay, so there is food variety, and everything. So how was food prepared, students? How was food prepared? Okay, please write down whatever answer you know. How was food prepared? Okay, and tell you what the correct answer is. I'll give you all 10 seconds of time to write down how is food prepared. Just write it in short, okay? One line or something like that. Don't write three, 4 lines of answer. Whatever comes to your mind, how is food prepared, just write it down. Okay? Okay. Okay, students, I'll tell you all the answer. How is food prepared? Okay. Food is prepared using food materials. Okay. A very simple answer. Okay. Most of them would have gone wrong. It's okay. Just erase and rewrite. Food is prepared using food materials. So, what are food materials? What are food materials? Okay. I'll tell you what all food materials are. The ingredients and spices. Sorry, 1 minute. The ingredients and spices used to prepare a food that, oh, I think the image is covering the answer. I'll write it down here, this side. Okay, you can take down. So, what is food material? Okay. Answer is ingredients and spices are food materials. Okay, no, no, don't take this down. Okay, that is like I'll tell you a different way. Okay, if asked as a question in test, you should answer raw materials extracted from plants and animals. Okay, so this is the answer for what is food material. Okay, you can take this down, students. If you'll ask me what is raw materials, I'll tell you all. Okay, they are nothing but ingredients and spices. Ingredients and spices. So if you ask me what is ingredients, okay, I'll tell you all. Ingredients are vegetables, meat, egg, etc. So there are many ingredients. Okay, these are a few examples like vegetables, meat, and egg. Okay, spices are salt, sugar, etc. Okay, there are many examples like chili powder and all that. Okay, am I clear so far, students? Have you all understood what is food variety? Food variety, multiple dishes are known as food variety. Okay, how is food prepared? Food is prepared using food materials. Okay, what is food materials? Raw materials extracted from plants and animals are known as food materials. Okay, am I clear so far, students? You'll want me to explain any part of this? Please let me know. I'll explain again. If you all have understood, please give me a thumbs up or please tell yes. Can I get a reply from your students? Have you all understood the portion? Or you all want me to re-explain this? I think most of them are busy writing it down. See, more than that, it is important to understand the topic, okay? Please tell me how well understood or not. Okay. Can we go to the next topic? Okay. We'll go to the next topic. That is food materials. Okay. We discussed recently about food materials. Okay. Food materials. Okay. So as I told you, okay, food materials. We have two types of food materials. Two types of food materials. That is ingredients. So these are all ingredients, okay? The vegetables here, see you can see fish, you can see egg, you can see fruits here. So these all are ingredients, okay? And these are spices, okay? Spices like these are also, but you can see vegetables and fruits and spices are from plants, okay? And remaining all are from animals, okay? And these are all known as raw materials, raw materials that is used to prepare a food, okay? Raw materials used to prepare food, okay? You can ask your parents, like you can ask your mother how a food is prepared, so how difficult it is, okay? The ingredients should be clean and they should be cut properly and added, and spices, everything. So, a food is prepared by using the raw materials. So, these are known as raw materials. Okay, these are everything in this image is known as raw materials. Okay, am I clear, students? You want me to explain any part? Okay, you can even take down. There are two types of food materials. That is ingredients and spices. Can we go to the next topic, students? As I explained previously, what is food material to you all? Okay, I'll just put it short here. Can we go to the next topic? Okay. So we discussed about food, we discussed about food variety, we discussed about food material. So now we are going to discuss about where do we get food from. Okay. So this answer is short. We get food from plants and animals. Okay. So if it is from plants, so how do we get it from plants? If it's from plants, how do we get it? So here you can see there's a big picture here. So in field like this, plants are planted. Okay, for each and every vegetable, for vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, So plants are planted in such big fields, okay, and they are grown. They are grown and they are taken good care so that we get healthy vegetables, healthy fruits, and healthy cereals and pulses. So everything like rice, wheat, we get everything from the field. So who grows this generally? A farmer. A farmer grows the plants. Okay, he grows it and cultivates crops, sorry, crops from it. Okay, cultivate means so from a seed, growing a plant. Cultivate means growing a plant from a seed. Okay, it requires proper sunlight, water, and everything. So it takes care of everything. So that is known as cultivate. And cultivates crops from it. Okay, the crops are nothing but vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, rice, wheat, and everything. So a farmer grows everything and he brings it to the market, and from market we buy it. Okay, so this is generally explanation given to you all. So if asked as a question, where do we get food from? Okay, by the end of this week, I'll provide you all personalized notes. So in that everything will be mentioned. Okay, if asked as a question, how to answer and everything. Okay, I'll give it in a PDF format, and that will be sent in the group. You can download it from there, and you can just see. Okay. So this is general answer. Where do we get food from? We get food from plants and animals. You can write this. Okay. Am I clear so far? If yes, we'll go to the next question. Next concept, next topic, or whatever. You want me to explain any part of this? You can tell me. I'll explain again. Okay. Until and unless you'll understand, I'll keep explaining again and again in a different way, so that it goes into your head. Okay, students. Am I clear so far? Can we go to the next topic? Can I get a yes from y'all? Yes or a thumbs up? Anything? We have two more topics to cover, and after that, that's all for today. Are y'all present, students? Can I get a reply from y'all? We'll go to the next topic. Okay. Are y'all present? Please give a thumbs up or say yes so that I go to the next topic. Or are y'all taking it down? Okay. We'll go to the next topic. That is, firstly, I told you like where do we get food from? Okay. We get food from plants and animals. Plants, animals. Okay. So here are a few examples. Okay. From what are the food that we get from plants? You see, plant is useful in every way. We eat seeds of plant, roots of plant, stems of plant, leaves of plant, flowers of plant, and fruits of plant. Okay. You can take down, students. Plant products of food. Okay. Here are a small examples about this. If it comes to seeds and everything, you can write pulses and corn, cereals and all. If it's root, it is like carrot, potatoes, onions, and if it's stems, okay, it is celery, and there are a few more this thing. If it's leaves, like it is cabbage, spinach, and a few greens which we consume. And if it's flowers, it is cauliflower, broccoli, and if it's fruits, apple, banana, etc. Okay, these are a few examples you can write down. Okay, plant products of food. Plants are useful as food in many ways. Okay, parts of plants, product of food. Okay, you all can take down all this: seeds, roots, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. So if it comes to animal, are you all done, students? Please stay interactive. If you all are done, if I ask you all if you all are done, please tell yes or no. Please do reply. Okay. Animal products of food. Okay. That is how animals are useful as food to living organisms. So they are useful in form of meat, fish, milk, all the dairy products. Okay. Dairy products are nothing but products from cow. Okay. Dairy products and many more. They are just few examples. Okay. You can take this down. How food is important in both plants and animals. Okay. Animals provide us meat, fish, egg, milk, and dairy products, and plants provide us seeds, roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Okay. You can take this down. Okay. So by the end of this week, regarding each and every topic, we'll frame question and answers and give it to you all. It will be useful for you all to study. Okay. Okay, students, can we go to the next topic? Are you all done? We still have one or two left. We'll finish it off. Can we go to the next topic, students? Okay. So here are a few question and answers about. Okay. I'll just write down. Just take down, students. and see how much you understood from the class today. What is food? What is food material? What is raw material? Okay. Where do we get food from? Name a few plant products. Okay. Name a few animal products. Animal products of food. Okay. Correct here also. Plant product of food. Okay. Take this down, students. So this will be like a homework. Hardly you'll have to spend some 10 minutes, I guess. It won't even take 10 minutes. Just write down. And tomorrow, with the beginning of the class, I'll just write down answers for this. We'll see. So that is we discussed about food products. So plant, fruit products, everything. So if it comes, so this is like a part of plant which we even consume. So these are known as seeds of plant. Okay. So particularly why I chose this product is so most of them are they don't know like how seeds are being eaten and everything. Seeds of plant. Okay, this is just an example. These are known as sprouts. Okay, these are known as sprouts. So this is a small activity. Okay, you all can try it if you all want. So you all can see there are tiny kind of roots coming out of these seeds. Okay, so they are nothing but so these sprouts, whatever, like yeah, they're called as sprouts once the tiny roots are come out of the seeds. Okay, they're known as moong dal. Okay, so what happens to them is so they have been soaked overnight. They are soaked overnight and they convert as sprouts. Okay, this is how seeds are. I was expecting someone to ask me a question how seeds are consumed, but no one did. So I thought I'll just take this topic and explain this to you all. So how seeds of plants are consumed. Okay, they are soaked overnight, and that is how they come as sprouts. Okay, so this is all students. This is like a small activity. It will be given to you all. Your class teacher she might ask you all to do this at home or something. Okay, okay, students. So I just want you all to want to explain this to you all about parts of plant we eat. Parts of plants we eat. Okay. I think this was not explained clearly to you all. So seeds, we eat the seeds of plant. We even eat stem. We eat roots. We eat even the leaves of plants. we eat vegetables, we eat fruits. So each and every part of a plant is useful for us. It doesn't mean that every part of every plant we eat. Okay, so it differs. We eat a few seeds from a different plant, stem of different plants, roots of different plants, and leaves of different plants. Okay, which is healthy and which is edible for humans. Okay, which is healthy and edible for humans to consume. Okay, you can take animals as an example. Okay, even they eat selective plants. They don't eat all the plants. Okay, so this happens the same with humans also. So we pick a few selective plants. No, no, please don't write this. Okay, this is just like I'm just trying to explain like in detail. Okay, okay, there are a few selective plants which we pick. There are few good plants for vegetables. There are few good plants for fruits, for stem, seeds, roots as well, and leaves. So, like we don't, we pick a few plants which are good, healthy, and edible for humans to consume. Okay, have well understood so far, students? Any doubts regarding this? So this was just a general thing. I explained this to you all. Okay, because previously I told you all that parts of plants are eaten, and I didn't explain in detail. I guess so. That's why I thought I'll do it today. You all want me to re-explain this, student? Can we go to the next topic? Okay. Tanmay, you want me to re-explain this to you? Okay. Okay, students, we'll go to the next topic. See, there are more edible content of food available in nature. Oh, you're writing this down, Tanmay. Okay, take it. So, why I particularly picked sprouts was this will be given in the school as an activity to be done. Okay, so that is why I picked sprouts. There are many examples. There are many seeds that have been eaten by humans. Even corn is also a seed. Can we go to the next topic, students? Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Who all want, they can just take it down. I think in the beginning, most of them would have known, I would have explained about global warming and everything. You can see now there is, in Bangalore where we stay, global warming is happening. In summer, we are getting rains. So that is also kind of global warming. We are feeling it as winter. Okay. So these are general topics. That is why I took a week for y'all to explain with the basics. Y'all can relate each and every example with the nature, okay, to understand it much more clearly. Okay, students, we'll go to the next topic. That is beehive. Even honey is a natural food. Okay, honey is a natural food. But where do we get honey from? We get it from beehive. We don't get it from plants, right? We get honey from beehive. So how many of them have seen beehive in real? A food that is not from plants. Okay. Everybody know like how is this honey extracted? I'll tell you all. Okay. This is not like plants. It is not from plants. Okay. But if you see in deep, it is from plants. Honey doesn't come for us like a fruit or a vegetable. Okay. It has been. You can see all the bees like how it constructs a beehive, and then from that we extract honey. No, no, please don't write it. Okay, this is just for referral explanation. I'll tell you all which one to write and which one not to write. Okay. Okay, students. So how is honey? Wait a minute. So we get honey from nectar. We get honey from nectar. So where is this nectar present? We get nectar from flowers. From flowers we get nectar. Okay. So every day, like if you see early in the morning or something, like around 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, these bees they'll be surrounded near those flowers. Okay, they go there, they sit on a flower, they suck nectars from flowers. Nectar from flowers. They take nectar from flowers, and from there they come back to their place where all bees have made like a hive. Okay, so you can see this image, something like this, like a house or something. So there they come and they pour honey there. So this is how honey is brought to beehive. Okay, students, any doubts regarding this? Any doubts, students? And from beehive, we collect honey. You can take this down, students. Just give me a minute. I'll write it down properly. After that, you all can take this down. As you all can see, flower is the main base for honey. Okay, from flower, nectar is extracted. Nectar is extracted by bees, and from nectar, honey is developed. Developed and stored in beehive. Okay, we humans from beehive, we collect the stored honey. Okay, so why suddenly this beehive topic arises is, so even honey is a part of food contents. Okay, so honey is not brought from plants. You can see there is sugar, salt, and everything. Okay, now if you see sugar, sugar is extracted from sugarcane. So, and if you see salt, salt is extracted from sea. So like this, even honey is a different form of food which is being extracted from beehive. So how is honey collected in the beehive? So that is what I wanted to explain it to you all. I can take this down, students. Some problem with the power. Any doubts, students, regarding this? If you'll ask me, I can help this to you all. Help in solving this to you all. Are you all done, students? So honey is also a natural food, okay, which has a different form, how it is being brought in out for us to use for food or something. So that process is being explained to you all. Okay, we'll go to the next topic, that is, what do animals eat? Okay, just write down what do animals eat, and under that you can write carnivorous, you can take a new topic, student, that is what do animals eat. Okay, and under that you'll have to write down carnivorous. Okay, so what is carnivorous? Carnivorous animals. So animals that eat other animals for food are known as carnivorous. Okay, okay, students. So now you can see there is lion, tiger, and everything. So these are the animals which eat living organisms. Okay, you can call it like, okay, they eat animals, everything. So these are known as carnivorous animals. Okay, you can see lion, tiger, and everything. These animals, whichever, like these are a few examples. There are more carnivorous animals. Okay, these animals, they eat animals for food, and even some animals like lion and tiger, they eat even humans also. So these are known as carnivorous animals. Okay, and there's another part of this topic, that is herbivorous. So most of them who would be watching this Discovery and Animal Planets, they would know what is like. If I told you all carnivorous and herbivorous, you all would have known. Any doubts, students, regarding carnivorous animals? Okay, now herbivorous animals that eat plants for food are known as herbivorous. Okay, I'll give you all time to take down. Okay, by then you all can just this thing. So these are the animals which eat only plants. Okay, so there are a few examples. You can see monkey, which is famous for eating bananas. So bananas are generally from plants. You can see elephants, which is famous for eating sugar canes. So they are also from plants. Okay, they're basically like vegetarians, you can tell. So these animals are herbivorous animals. Okay, they eat plants as food. Okay, students, you can take this down. Any doubts regarding this? If there's any doubts, you can ask me. If you want me to re-explain or anything, you can just ask me. Carnivorous are like non-vegetarians, and herbivorous are like vegetarians. Okay, carnivorous animals they need meat to eat, and herbivorous animals they need plant products like stem leaves, vegetables, fruits, and all that. Okay, am I clear so far? Can we go to the next topic? I can take this turn, students. I'll wait for a minute. Okay, we'll go to the next topic. That is omnivorous. Omnivorous animals. Okay, so animals that eat both plants and animals for sorry for food are known as omnivorous animals. Okay, students. So you fruits. So basically, we humans also come under omnivorous. So we eat both plant products and animal products, right? So even we are omnivorous. Plant products. So animals that eat both plant products and animal products for food are known as omnivorous animals. If you see a bear, it eats fish and it eats all insects and everything. So the animals listed here, they eat both like veg and non-veg combined together. So that is why they are known as omnivorous animals. Okay, and we humans are also part of the omnivorous category. Okay, am I clear so far, students? Understood so far? This will be the end of chapter 1. Okay, this is all for chapter 1. So I'll give you all notes tomorrow, and from day after, we can start with chapter 2. Okay. So has everyone taken down any doubts, students, regarding chapter 1? You all can ask me. And tomorrow also we'll discuss about chapter 1, and I'll give you all a few notes about chapter 1. You all can just take it down. Okay. And so soon, like we can. No, sir. Okay, no doubts. No doubts regarding chapter 1. Okay. It is easy, right? Everyone is able to understand, right? Only Tanmay is active. Apart from Tanmay, no one is like replying. If you all have any doubts or any questions regarding the chapter, you all can ask me here, so that I can explain it to you all. Okay, that is why like I'm asking you all to reply. Okay, students. So that's all for chapter 1, and hope everyone liked my class today. And if they are interested, even they can join the classes. Okay. Did everybody like my class? Is it NP? Okay, students. Thank you. So that's all for today. Okay. I'll be creating this as a PDF and I'll be sending it to you all tomorrow. Okay. For reference to understand, you all can store this in your phone. During your test or examinations, you all can just open this and go through. Okay. From the beginning, everything. So, okay. From here till the last one, I'll send it to you all everything like as a PDF. I'll convert this as a PDF and I'll send it to you all in the phone. Okay. You all can have this. You can just go through. It will be easy for you all to understand. Okay, we'll be doing this with the we'll be doing the same with every chapter. Okay, once all the chapter is done, I'll create a PDF and I'll send it to you all in WhatsApp group. You all can open and you all can scroll down, and the videos also will be available in this channel. You all can visit like whenever you all want to watch or something. It will be available. Any doubts regarding any part, you all can text us. Okay.